With BIGVU, I make news update videos in a snap. Imagine if you could establish yourself as the go-to company for all things real estate, a place where buyers get all their neighborhood-related info. By sending video news updates to current clients and prospects, you'll demonstrate your expertise and stay on top of mind. As a presenter, you'll capture your audience's attention and become recognized in the industry. Neighborhood tours are perfect for demonstrating your local knowledge with relocation clients. You could also share a weekly or monthly report video on your local real estate market. Unlike agents who use standard email templates, your market report videos would be personalized, unique, and give you the edge. You can share updates on new development projects in your area or an ongoing community scheme. Show your audience you're active in the community and know the ins and outs of the local area. You're sure to gain expert status and build better relationships.